Yo, you came here for the shorts, and that's exactly what I'm gonna give you. Super grateful to have you back. Today's video is about YouTube Shorts, how you can use it to your advantage and actually get a lot of traffic. One of my friends just generated 80,000 subscribers to just her Shorts channel alone, and it has millions of views on her videos. So you can do the same thing, and that's what today's video is about. I'm gonna give you some insights, give you some insider tips, and I'm gonna help you guys out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to an Adrian graphics video. Notice how I didn't say marketing? We've recently changed the channel back to its original name, which is Adrian Graphics, and today's video is about YouTube Shorts. So hit that subscription, hit that like button, make sure you drop a comment, introduce yourself, because I need your support. I want to be able to share the best content with you, and I do that by getting your feedback. So thank you so much. Let's go ahead and jump into the shorts. So what's the deal with YouTube Shorts? If you're just now hearing about this for the first time, YouTube Shorts is very similar to Instagram Reels or TikTok. I'm sure everybody by now has heard about TikTok. And what it is it's short form content. This short form content is bite size. It allows people to get to their attention spans very quickly and just give them quick information. And it's gonna lead them to your long form content. That's how I'm utilizing YouTube Shorts, and that's how I want you to utilize YouTube Shorts. It's an amazing tool, something that you can use to increase your audience, to increase your reach. And right now, it's so early, there's never been a better time to jump. Imagine knowing about TikTok the first day it came out. This is the opportunity that we're looking at with YouTube Shorts. I've been on Clubhouse recently, which is another really explosive app in the social media space, which is drop-in audio. And one of my new friends, Maddie, actually works at YouTube Shorts, and I had the pleasure of being on stage with her as a moderator and getting to hear all the insider knowledge that I'm gonna share with you guys today. So I want you guys to Google YouTube Shorts report. And what's gonna come up is an article that's written weekly by Maddie. Maddie writes these articles and she puts a lot of time, energy, and effort into them, and they're really beautiful. It's gonna tell you everything you need to know about YouTube Shorts. But I'm gonna give you some tips right now. The first thing that she shared is that you need to put the word shorts with the little hashtag symbol in the title or in the description or in both. I'm doing both. That's the really key step to this, is making sure that you put shorts in there right now, because YouTube Shorts is so new that it hasn't even been officially released worldwide yet. They're releasing it out in certain countries first, and now they just came to the US as of last week officially. There's not even a shorts upload section or a shorts tool yet, but that is coming. Whether it's built into the app or it's a third-party app, I don't know yet. Well, not third-party, but another YouTube app. I believe they're gonna build it into the app, but YouTube Shorts is a really neat thing to utilize to drive a lot more traffic, to get a lot more visibility, and they already have more viewers on Shorts than TikTok does. And it isn't even officially released yet. So you're gonna be able to get here on the front side of a huge wave that's already happening with other platforms, and now YouTube, who has the largest audience, billions of views per day on their videos, now rolling out their shorts. The next critical thing to YouTube Shorts is uploading frequently. It's quantity over quality. You wanna make sure that you're getting a ton of videos in every day. And when I say a ton of videos, I mean like 3 to 5 videos every single day. That's only 3 to 5 minutes worth of content. When you do long form content, you're usually doing 8 to 10, 12, 15 minutes, right? Well, these are gonna be 3 to 5 short videos every day consistently. And I would recommend that you batch these out together in one day. Do 4 or 5 in a day, every single day for a couple weeks, and just stack them up. And you only need to do that frequency, that level of quantity for maybe the first 3 weeks to a month, and then you can start to scale it back to 1 a day or 2 a day. But you want to actually come out strong by doing 3 to 5 a day. As I mentioned, I have a couple friends that are doing exceptionally well, Luke and Jessica and a few other people that are doing really well with YouTube Shorts. Luke is getting millions of views on his shorts every single month, and he's getting tens of thousands of subscribers a day. So this is a really great opportunity for you to utilize shorts. And if you need any more information on this, all you got to do is drop a comment below, ask them. I will help you with anything I can. You don't need to worry about thumbnails. You don't need to worry about tags. You don't need to worry about the descriptions that much. Just put a basic description in there, put the word shorts in there, and just make sure that in the thumbnail that you pick something that's decent. You don't have to upload anything custom, but make something decent. And so you can actually edit these things in post. You can edit them in other places. What I've been doing is I've been taking videos, recording them with my phone, uploading them into TikTok, and then adding the sound, the music, and some of those effects, and then downloading them from Musical.ly down, which is just a software where you plug in the URL to the TikTok video, and then you're able to download it, and then I upload that without the watermark. You do not want to upload a short that has a watermark on it from something like TikTok. You want to get that watermark off. And the way that you do that with TikTok is by uploading them to Musical.ly down, or you can get it directly within the privacy settings inside of TikTok. You can request all of your videos without watermark. So that's another way, but it's important that you upload this content frequently on a regular basis, every single day, 7 days a week, and that's gonna help you beat the algorithm. It's gonna help you actually leverage what you need to leverage to be able to get the followers and the reach that you need. And then make sure that you're adding cards in. This is another big one. The cards inside there are gonna lead people back to your other channel. Don't worry about putting that in the description, just lead them back with cards. This is a really key area that you can focus on. If you wanna add an end screen to your shorts, you can. So if you're gonna make your short like 50 seconds, you can do a 10-second end screen and lead them back to your main channel. This is just another great strategy. So I wanted to talk about shorts today. I wanted to give you as much information as possible about shorts and just tell you about the opportunity, because every designer could be uploading tutorials and all kinds of fun stuff on there. And that's what we're gonna be doing as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you guys out. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And as always, keep looking up.